Hey guys, I got the Wholesaling Real Estate Bootcamp coming up. I'm going to spend 3 full days teaching my students how to find, wholesale, and flip properties. Day 1 on Friday is going to be teaching wholesaling, what wholesaling is, how wholesaling works, all the contracts and forms that are needed, including assignment of contract and double closing. So basically I can teach you how to go out there and find wholesale deals at wholesale prices, typically around 70 cents on the dollar, right? Then on Saturday I'm going to take you on a bus trip to see what actual bank-owned properties look like, and then when we get back to the classroom we're going to review how to calculate the after repair value of these properties, reviewing comparable sales, figuring out the repair estimates, and how much you should offer on that property. In other words, how much would an investor like me pay to buy that property, right? Your goal as a wholesaler is to flip these houses to other investors like me that are looking for houses to fix and flip or fix and rent. And when you know how to do that, then you can gravitate towards being able to keep those properties yourself, right? So Wholesaling Real Estate Bootcamp, 3-day event, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm going to cover everything at the bootcamp, all the purchase contracts, transactional funding, double closing, how to do it from A to Z. So if you want to learn how to wholesale and flip houses, make sure you're there. I've got a link below, and I'm looking forward to seeing you.